Hello mga loves. So muna po itong update ka. Unis live na. Sana ko una. Nutella. Bastangan ako ning akong bread. Diyos ko Lord. Pwede ko magpalabik ang sugar. My gosh. Tigulang rice na rabata. Tamang ano lang. Ayan o.
Lincoln, I see I'm going to have to take other measures. What kind of measures?
Tamis pa naman to.
Football?
Bawal na sa matanda ang matamis. Then, try natin yung ano ha. Nilagyan ko ng Nutella. It's a cocoa bread by the way. Yeah?
Coconut nut. I know, honey, but you left me
Harap po lang.
choice. Lama ka plain burger
Ano
exercise.
pa?
Mom, wait. Look, I'm exercising right now. Ow, ow, Charlie horse. Clearly, I cannot play football. Fortunately, in a big family, there's always someone who can help you out of a jam. An injury to get out of sports. That can be arranged.
Ay!
Just not the
Shoota.
face.
Can you please get the ano tissue dai? The wet ano?
Go ahead and see, okay? We'll see.
Thank you. Put it there please.
You want an injury? I'll give you one.
Sarap.